Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to add text to each clip on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Then, go to Upload and select the videos you want to use. Then, select Next. Now tap on Edit on the right. Then, tap on the back icon on the bottom left. Select Text. Now tap on Add Text. Type in the text you want and select Done. You can set for how long or where it will show. Now when the next clip enters, tap on Add Text again. Type in your new text and then select Done. Now save, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.